Hi, I'm Ryan Clifford. I'm a junior FP&A here at GrowthLab Financial.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about where you studied in college, what school you went to, and how that plays into your role here at GrowthLab?
So I went to Becker College in Worcester, Massachusetts. I studied business administration. So I got to see a bit of everything in terms of business. It's like accounting, finance, marketing, management, and HR, just name a few. Here at GrowthLab, the accounting and finance knowledge that I've gained helped me a lot in my day-to-day work here at GrowthLab.
Awesome. And within your job hunt, why did you decide to join GrowthLab?
I decided to join GrowthLab for the opportunity to grow and learn. And we work closely with customers about their finances and forecasting that are in their long range plans and annual operating plans.
Okay, great. Going a little bit deeper into that, what is your role at GrowthLab and what do you do day to day?
So I am an FP&A analyst. So since starting here, I've been learning a lot about Jirav. So it's a financial planner for businesses to use so they can gain deep insight into their finances and their forecasting for the future. And then after going through this deep dive and learning Jirav, I'll be more hands-on with Growth Lab customers.
Fantastic. And finally, what are the top three things you've enjoyed so far about your experience here at GrowthLab?
So here at Growth Lab, there's a huge open door policy. So whether that's Dan, Steven, Corey, or anyone else, they're always willing to help you in personal matters or answer any kinds of questions about anything related to the work or personal again. The work-life balance. So I value a lot of time at home, and here at Growth Lab, I'm able to have that better work-life balance to spend more time with my family. And then lastly, the ability to learn and grow. So the opportunity to learn a wide range of small and medium-sized business models, how they run, how they make money, and then having like that mentorship with your manager, learning, anything and everything finance for the future.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Ryan, and we're happy to have you.
Thank you, Emily.